gosh, ang ganda.
100 lang.
300! Because I'm a trendsetter. Ala! Oh, seller yung hair. Parang nasama yun.
Siya, guys.
Yes! Mary Jane!
Parang natin sa Mary Grace.
In black. Thank you so much for giving this to me. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Princess.
Hi, Nicole.
And for today's video, we're back with our haul! So for this month's category, ang category natin ay Affordable Clothing Haul.
So maraming sa inyo guys nag-request na gumawa kami ng affordable clothing haul for like school or
For everyday na.
Yeah, everyday wear. So here are some ideas para alam nyo where bibili online.
Yes, and sakto, tuto na rin. So don't forget, i-check yung mga links below kasi ilalagay namin lahat doon para mabilis nyo makita kung saan nyo pwede ito bilhin. So without further ado, let's get started! Parang medyo na parami yung mga na-order ko nito.
I think I only got 4
Ano to?
5.
Kayo na to.
Hoy.
Torres lang nakalagay.
I'll put mine here. Tingnan natin
Alam mo,
guys.
nakikita nyo kung sino yung marami nabili.
There you go guys. So I got
Then
4
explanation
parcels.
to. May mga explanation yung mga nabili ko. So,
Okay, so since maraming sa'yo, start ka na girl.
okay. Ang dami masyado, pero let's start with this package. Okay guys, so ito yung una kong pinili. Actually, dalawang items from this shop. Start tayo with this one. This is just a set na parang sando top since naka-block din ako right now. Ayan, straight lang siya. Alam niyo yung straight na ganun, din manipis na hang. And
Clean
super
straps.
ganda ng tela niya kasi it's perfect for summer. Kasi pa summer na. And then, may kapar na siya.
Oh, it's a cord?
Yes, not trousers. And in fairness ha, hindi manipis. Pero wala siyang buttons. Just like this. And then, adjustable.
Actually, okay bumili ng mga cords because like you don't have to think na kung anong i-prepare mo.
And then, parang pwede mo to suotin with this top. Parang pwede mo siya i-mix and match. So, ayan, yung... Do you know my
Skirt.
favorite black skirt? This one is in the size medium na. Kasi yung black ko na favorite skirt ko, small siya and super sikip na sa
But
akin.
this is too big.
Nag-gain ako ng weight pero hindi ko alam kung paano nangyari yun. But it's perfect lang for school lang din kasi skort siya. So, hindi ko na kailangan mag-inner. So,
Yes.
so ako ulit kasi ang dami ko pa eh.
Now I'll try to open one. Okay, let's start with the big one, guys.
Wow.
Then, guys.
Kaya mo sa gitna i-gano, tapos gano'n na lang yan. Pick-up set. Okay.
Oh! Let's see what's
Ano
inside.
yan? Oh my gosh, ang ganda. It's very you. I know matagal mo nang gusto yan.
I know! So, nag-visit kami ng isang store, may nakita akong high heels na similar sa ganito. Tapos, nag-try on kami ni ate.
Yeah.
Tapos, sabi namin, gusto namin ganito yung height namin, guys. Parang 6-footer kami mga ganito.
Yes.
I don't think masasuot ko siya sa school, but like,
For like fashion, photo
random
shoots and all.
So, these are just white high heels. Like,
Literal na
super
high heels. Ilang inch yun? 3,
3 to 4 inches. Because size 8 ako, guys.
Can I try?
Sige.
Ba't parang liit? Ang sikip niya. Oh.
So, size up everyone. Can you churo?
Ay, wala mo muna sa
So, size up everyone if bibili niyo to.
How much to?
I think this is around 300, 400 lang.
300?
Not sure ha, not sure. Pero hindi naman ito sobrang 1K. 300.
Oo eh. Bilhin niyo. Ang ganda.
Oo, ate.
Bibili ako niyan in pink. Barbie doll.
Barbie ka, girl.
May black
Anyway.
niyan. Ang ganda yung
Yeah,
black.
I think they have black.
Okay, I'll check the link down below. Since pinakita mo na yan, pakita ko naman to.
Oh no, may entry siya, guys.
Ginaya si Nicole. Eto, I think every clothing haul, nagpapakita ko ng ganito sa inyo. It's just a black flats. Bila medyo maalikabok lang na sa cardboard. Since very uso yung mga ribbons lately, right? So, nakitrend ako because I'm a trendsetter. Alam, feeling. Minsan, ayoko nung parang walang ganito kasi natatanggal pa naglalakad ako or baka biglang tumalsik yung chinelas ko or sandals ko. Legit, pag naglalakad tapos nagmamadali. So, at least on my seatbelt.
Seatbelt!
Ayan,
Okay,
so-
try on.
Let's open this. Ang familiar.
Familiar.
May naalala ba kayo? Kung napanood niyo yung last video, baka ito yun.
Hindi nga.
Hindi. This one is just a dupe for the Uniqlo top na may pad.
Oh, really?
Yeah, look.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, pero I got it in red naman. I want something na may pop of color, so I decided to get it in red since I also have na yung black, white.
You're into red ba?
Lately, yes. Red naman and a lot of stuff. So, I want the red.
But if you're gonna compare it sa Uniqlo, is it the same?
No, it's not really the same. Though, di naman super nipis sa see-through. But kasi yung sa Uniqlo, makapal talaga. Kung for everyday lang naman, pwede na to kasi it's not see-through at all.
Yeah.
It's a good buy. I like it.
Affordable.
Yeah.
Kasi sa Uniqlo, I think around 900.
900. I think this one is 149. Yeah, may kasama na siyang pad, so you don't need to wear any bras.
They have black.
Oh, yes, of course.
Isa pa. Marami
Isa pa, ang dami ko nga binibili.
Looks familiar.
Oh, seller yung hair, parang nasama.
Seller freebie ba to?
Nasama. This is just my very, very, very small purchases kasi this one cost like 30 pesos. Feeling no 30 pesos. Every time I wear this type of clothing, like yung mga vest na medyo maluwag yung dito, I need something na pangloob. So, ito, tube lang siya. Black tube na rib.
Finally, meron na siya, guys.
Yes! Kasi I got the idea from this girl. Kasi lagi ko nahiram yung, like yung dress niya. So, I think I got my own.
And it's the same quality, ribbed.
Yeah, it's a rib top.
Yeah.
So, ayan, kung nag-aap ka ng tube tops lang.
And basics.
Yeah, actually, kahit hindi siya panloob, kahit outerwear.
Yeah.
Outerwear.
Or like, if mag-blazer kayo, magandang inner to.
Kasi
This is a
makapal naman
must-have
siya. Yeah.
closet.
Kasi nga, right now, I'm building my capsule wardrobe.
Okay, what about this one? What's this? Uy, swimming ka ba,
This is
girl?
just a bodysuit, pero very straightforward. Very straightforward. Hindi siya straight kasi parang pa-cross siya. Ay, napaganyan. Ba't ba to? Parang pa-cross siya na kung parang may gaganon sa inyo,
Yeah.
na straight na
Yeah.
bodysuit. So,
Okay, not bad.
Thank you so much.
What kind of thank you?
Oh. Why?
I'm not sure about this.
Oh my
Kasi
gosh.
totoo lang, nahihirapan talaga ako bumili ng clothes online. Kasi minsan sobrang iba nila sa picture.
Yeah.
So, this one, i-risk ko to.
I think good thing about these type of videos, guys, you can guys see the actual items. Ang ganda. Manipis lang.
It's very, very ma-presko, I would say.
Yeah, that one.
If you're looking for a top na very manipis, 100 to 200 pesos.
Yeah.
So, not bad na if like,
I mean, it's not that bad.
For beach
It's not-
days,
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
good.
yeah.
Kasi very manipis siya.
And I like the print. It's giving
giving
old money. Oh my god, we have the same top. Okay, let's open this. Can you guess what? Nakita mo pala. Ay, girl. Oh, napapansin ka ba?
Red na naman!
Why? Okay, so this is just a 2-in-1 wallet, you
Okay,
all.
sample of the two.
So, and you can actually remove it. So, if
Oh my gosh!
if pupunta lang kayo sa palengke or what, coins lang kailangan nyo, commute lang kayo, you can bring this sa Tom's World. And ilagay mo yung mga tokens mo dyan. Pwede mo to i-bring lang, ganyan. But,
Or-
if you have a lot of money, or if you have yung may mga
Cards.
bills and cards, you can put here.
There's
Area
a
na
lot
to.
of compartments inside.
It's a card holder with
Parang
coin
Chinese
purse,
New Year.
actually. So, you just have to stick it over here, and then, just gonna stick it. Wait, di ko na mabalik seller.
Maganda rin kasi ako rin nahihirapan ako sa mga coin. Ganyan, tapos ka na magbayad. Tapos yung may coins yun. Siyempre, kailangan mo ng time, ilagay siya. Tapos may customer na sa
Kaya
likod.
parang, ibubuhos ko na lang lahat. Parang, gaganin ko na sa cashier. May 5 pesos po kayo, ma'am. Wait lang po, check ko sa coin purse ko. Okay. And then available to in different colors. I just got it in this deep red color because I love blood.
Okay, so since we're talking about daily essentials,
Yes.
diba? I just want to share, guys, that I recently launched a brand. So, ito na siya, guys. Part din siya ng clothing haul.
Yes,
it's a
kasi
bag.
it's a bag. Part of your outfit,
Classic
y'all.
totes, on-the-go bag.
Yeah, for your school or for your errands. Every time na nag-haul kami, you guys wanna see yung mga tote bags suggestions
I know,
namin.
I
So
know.
finally, she realizes her own brand or whatever. Just got it in black. Thank you so much for giving this to me.
I have one in
PR.
black and then I have one in cream. So you guys can order sa website or sa NONSTATIQUE on Instagram.
Yes.
Tara, okay, yun lang naman. Kasi wala na akong mahol, guys. So pinakita ko na lang din.
Ba yan? Bili kasi marami. Oh my gosh. Socks!
Hey!
Kasi we're going to Japan. Charot. Wala ko nung parang mga basic socks lang. Na, yung pang onitsuka, yung manipis lang. Wala yung mga white socks lang, y'all. I got it in white. And I also got it in black. Ang plan ko dyan is kapag nakasuot ka, yung medyo igaganon mo. Yung ganyan.
Parang naka-
So, pang perfect siya for like onitsuka. Tapos
Really?
igaganon mo. Lagi nawawala yung mga socks sa bahay. Hindi ko alam kung
I
bakit.
know.
It sucks.
So this is my last
Isa pa
parcel.
ako sa mga laman dito sa gilid ko.
Last plus parcel, but I have 2 items inside. Okay. Feature.
Okay. So you have any questions so far?
First one, I love the quality. I must say.
I like it, girl. It's so nice.
So it's a V-neck top. You guys know how much I love V-necks kasi they just complement my body better. And guys, maganda yung quality niya. Like, you can compare it sa mga H&M.
Oh yeah. Tsaka may inner eh.
Yep.
So hindi makate pag sinuot mo kasi it's silk inside. So it has zipper then at the back.
Yeah.
So very simple pero ang elegant niya tignan.
Another top, guys.
Oh, it's from the brand Lovito.
Yes. Okay, so this is a vest. Parang suot din natin ngayon.
Very Madonna.
Very old money
with pearls and
Ay,
all.
actually, maganda guys yung quality niya.
Yung buttons yan.
Yeah.
Nagbe-bring ng
Ito yung quality parang Zara.
Yeah.
May mga gantong tops in Zara, guys. So,
thanks. Last clothing na kasi the rest are accessories na. I just got myself. So this one, I just got this white
black yan?
black and white top na pa-V. I don't know kung anong tawag sa gantong tela. Yung parang ganyan. Pero makapal siya in fairness naman. Fitted siya on your top part, pero sa baba parang medyo flowy.
Yeah, actually like it.
Yeah, it's just a basic top na pwede mong ulit-ulitin. Ito siya nasama. So, ito na yung mga last clothing and medyo marami to.
White, black, black.
So, saan tayo mag-start? Ang dami. Start off with this one. This is just a gray pala na tube top. Uso sa TikTok, parang fitted siya and then yung, kasi yung kanina yung tube diretso lang yun eh. Pero this one, meron siyang pa ganon. It's so nice. I like the quality. It's so thick in fairness.
Siya,
and you guys can get it lang for like 70 pesos. I mean, not bad talaga yung mga simple tops na ganito. This one is in plain black. Yung isa is may pagka-acid black. So, ganyan.
Parang yung kanina.
No, it's a different one.
Really?
This one, yeah, it's straight yung cut niya. Like, straight siya dito pag sinuot mo. And I got it in black and white as well. Pero yung kanina kasi, diba, it's V-neck naman. So, it's really nice kasi parang parehas lang pero hindi. Parang lilituin mo lang yung mga nakakita ng damit mo. Uy, parang suot mo yung kahapon. No, V-neck yun. So, ito, straight naman. Last na. Can you hold yung dulo?
Oh my gosh.
Yung pag-ganyan, baba mo konti. Yung tube siya, pero may pag-ganon kayo.
I know.
Yung pag-ganon. Sila din nila. Straight siyang ganun. Super nice lang yan kasi mga basic top lang yan. Kasi ako nahihirapan ako mag-isip ng susuotin sa school. So, since wala naman dress code, pwede sleeveless, edi nagganto na ako, diba? Tapos na?
Yes.
Tapos
Kanina
na?
pa.
Tapos na. Meron pa akong dalawa. So, open mo yan. Open ko to.
What? Oh my gosh. So these are thin headbands. So
Yeah.
ka taga sa thin, like thin
Yeah,
strap.
ito ang hashtag nito, thin material.
Thin haul.
Ganyan. Parang, Mary Jane.
Parang wala sa Mary Grace.
Mary Jane's yung peg nung sa sapatos ko nagyan mo Mary Grace. Pero magkaiba to ng quality kasi ito medyo foamy siya. But this one medyo manipis. Tapos parang magdali ko yung wallet ko lang. Ganyan. Pero hindi pa natatapos ang pagiging red girl ko dyan. Kasi bumili pa ako ng earrings. Ito yung una kong nabili. Ito yung parang hoop earrings na medyo may mga red. And then yung second one naman is yung may maliit na hoop earrings na may heart yung pendant. So,
That's really nice.
yeah, parang pop of red here. Parang, sa dami ng pop of red, naging full red na. Pero guess what? Magkano lang total ko sa lahat?
Magkano?
2,000.
Wow.
For all of those.
So, ang ganda ng mga finds mo kasi steal talaga yung
Oh, thank you so much for acknowledging that. Gusto ko kasi every after haul natin, meron tayong favorite item.
Okay.
So, ano yung favorite item mo?
I think this one kasi like everywhere.
Bias mo naman, sis.
I would say this one.
Ano yung shoes? In-expect ko yung shoes dun sa
Hindi ko kasi sure kung comfortable eh.
It's not comfortable kasi ang taas niya, sis.
May mga heels na mga comfortable.
Pagpantay sila.
It's pantay eh.
This one, I must say na ito yung favorite ko out of everything. Though hindi to clothing, pero siguro sa clothing, yung mga gantong top. As a simple girl. Simple girl na headband. Feel ko sobrang magagamit ko to. So yun lang guys. Everything. Lahat ng links na ito nasa description box below. And sakto, tuto na din. So para may free shipping and discounts and all. That is it for this video. We hope you guys like it. If you guys did, just give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos. And click the bell button beside to be notified every time we upload a new video.
Also, don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts. All the links are on the description box below.
So check it out.
And we'll see you again next time.
Bye! Bili ko.
Alam mo ito yung gata. Ikaw.